I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see your followers on Twitch. And to be clear, you can only see your list of followers on the Twitch website, and you can't see them through the Twitch mobile app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.twitch.tv, and then click your profile icon at the top of this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Creator Dashboard in this menu. Your Twitch Creator Dashboard opens. Step 3. Click to expand Community in the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Followers List in the expanded menu. Your Twitch followers will be shown on the right side of the screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.